Mathematicians are always looking for easier ways to write or work with numbers. If I wanted to add 2 50 times, it would take a lot of time to write and solve. Mathematicians came up with an easier way of writing and solving when we add the same number over and over again. They call this new method multiplication. Let's explore several methods of seeing multiplication. The first model we're going to look at is the set model. Remember when we looked at addition? We took 2 sets of balls and dropped them on our trays. It didn't matter how many balls were in each set. We pushed the 2 sets together and counted how many were in the new set. This time we're going to combine more than 2 sets, and all of the sets will have the same number of balls. Be sure that your trays are reset and follow along with me. If Jack has 2 pencils and Ryan has 3 times as many pencils as Jack, how many pencils does Ryan have? I'm going to use 2 balls to represent the number of pencils Jack has. 1, 2. Since Ryan has 3 times as many, I'm going to put 3 sets of 2. 1, 2, 3. Multiplication, just like addition, means to add. The only difference is that when we multiply, we are adding equal sets. Let's count the number of balls in our new set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If Jack has 2 pencils and Ryan has 3 times as many, he would have 6 pencils. 3 times 2 equals 6. Let's work another problem. This time I'll start the problem and let you finish it. Remember to reset your tray. Quenisha walks 3 miles every week. How many miles does she walk in 4 weeks? I'm going to start by letting 3 balls represent the number of miles she walks. 1, 2, 3. Since she's going to walk the same amount for 4 weeks, I'm going to have 4 sets of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your teacher will now pause the movie and restart it when you're finished. Be sure to raise your hand if you need help. Remember to write your answer in a complete sentence after you find your answer. Here's how I work the problem. Multiplication, just like addition, means to add. The only difference is that when we multiply, we're adding equal sets. Let's count the number of balls in our new set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If Quenisha walks 3 miles every week, she would walk 12 miles in 4 weeks. 4 times 3 equals 12. Let's work one more problem. I'm going to give you the problem and let you work it on your own. Your teacher will pause the movie and restart it when you're finished. Carlos loved baseball, and each month he would go to the park and watch 5 baseball games. How many baseball games did he go to in 3 months? Remember to raise your hand for help and write your answer in a complete sentence. I'm going to use 5 balls to represent the number of games Carlos attended in a month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since Carlos went to games for 3 months, I'm going to put 3 sets of 5. 1, 2, 3. Multiplication, just like addition, means to add. The only difference is that when we multiply, we are adding equal sets. Let's count the number of balls in our new set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If Carlos went to 5 baseball games in a month, He would attend 15 baseball games in 3 months. 3 times 5 equals 15. Any questions?